These are the elevators here at the Hyatt Regency, Baltimore, Maryland. We look like we're Dovers, but they have been modded by Schindler. Here we are on 12.
12th floor. Going up.
Oh, these were actually Westy, it looks like. Ah, yeah, these were Westy. 14. Let's go down to 2. EPCO Fixtures. Oh wow, look at that, you can get a view up the shaft. That's cool. Very nice. Here we are on 2.
Going up.
Please go up. Very good. The front desk almost directly views these, so. Here we are on 14.
14th floor.
We'll go back down to 2. Get a view from back here this time. We're stopping.
9th floor.
Going down?
Going down.
Yeah, I got a card, but
Okay.
thank you.
You have a wonderful day, sir.
Going up.
Okay. Alright. Now for the grand view. And here we are on 410.
14th floor. Going down.
Alright, I'm gonna get off here. I wonder if Dover had something to do with these at one point, judging by the doors, but maybe not, I don't know. Let's get a look around. Here's a view of the inner harbor. Very nice. And there's a view of some of the central business district. There's the Sheridan. There's the service elevators, but they're modded too. Alright, let's go back down. Off on 2. Watch the numbers this time. Go on 2. We'll get off here. Well, there it goes. That'll be good.